Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. As we studied earlier, the three method for the solution of linear pair of equation for two variable. First we learned about the graphical method. Next we learned about substitution method. And the third we are going to learn about is elimination method. This is called as elimination method. Okay. So let's start with the elimination method. The pair of equation given over here is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and second is 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. First thing you should keep in mind that if anything is common in the equation, you should reduce your equation to the smallest number. So if I am taking my 2 as common, what will be my equation? X minus y equals to 1 and this equation will be as it is 3x plus 4y equals to 10. Again, what did I did over here? The 2 is common over here in 3 of my terms. X is also is having 2, y is also is having 2 and 2 constant term is also having 2. So I took 2 as common and I divided it by this 2 over here. So 2 and 2 get cancelled and I got my 1. Okay. So now our final equations are 3x plus 4y equals to 10 and x minus 1 equals to 1. Okay, so first let's start. Before starting our elimination method, you should check whether it is having a unique solution, infinite many solution or no solution as we did for the substitution method. So for first we will write a1 upon a2, then b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. Okay. So for our case, what is a1 upon a2? It's 3 upon 1. So first is 3 upon 1. Second is positive 4 and negative 1. So for second, it's 4 upon minus 1. And for third is 10 upon 1. Is it equal? No. A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2 and it's not equal to C1 upon C2. That means it is a unique solution. Okay, it is a unique solution. So you can solve it easily. So what will be your first step? Write your equation side by side. First is 3x plus 4y equals to 10. And second equation is x minus y equals to 1. This is my equation 1 and this is my equation number 2. Now, for elimination method, you should select one of your variable. Either you are going for x or either you should go for y. Whatever you need, it seems to be comfortable for you, you can go for it. So for this case, I am taking my x as my variable. Okay. So my first equation is having 3x. That means I need to make my second equation also 3x. That means I need to bring one of my variables same. I need to do my one variable same. Either it can be x or either it can be y. So for now this case, I am taking my x as same variable. As it is having 3, nothing should be multiplied to it. So we are multiplying it by 1 only. But for the second case, if I want to make 3x, I need to multiply my second equation by 3. So write down that multiply first equation by 1, first equation by 1 and second equation by 3. Second equation by 3. What will I get my answer if I am multiplying the whole equation with 1? So, what will your answer? 3x plus 4y equals to 10. And if I am multiplying this whole equation by 3, what will I get my answer? 3x minus 3y equals to 3. See, 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay, that is why I can. If you are multiplying 3 with x, you need to multiply this 3 with your whole equation, with your LHS and with your RHS. Okay, you should understand clearly over here that if this 3 is getting multiplied, you should multiply this 3 with the whole equation, not only with the variable you want. You have to multiply with the whole equation. So our final answer is 3x minus 3y is equal to 3. Now next step, you have to see over here that if your variable is same and its value is same and its sign, okay, here we are having 3x and 3x, its value is also same. But you have to check for the signs. First equation is also plus 3. Second equation is also plus 3. If you are having the same sign, that means you need to subtract your both the equation. You need to subtract both the equation. If you are having the different sign, then you need to add your both the equation. So, what I am doing over here, I am subtracting my equation. So, right over here, subtracting the equation. Okay, we are subtracting the equation. So, for subtracting, you need to change the sign of the second equation. So, here it is plus. So, your sign will get changed into minus. Second, your sign is minus. So, it will get changed into plus. Third, its sign is positive 3. It will get changed to minus. Now, subtract them. Okay, now subtract them. Plus minus. Now, plus minus, it's getting cancelled. So, it will be cancelled. Now, you don't need to see this sign. This sign will get nullified. You have to see this first sign and the sign we change now. Okay, so plus plus gives you plus. It becomes 7y equals to plus minus minus 10 minus 3 gives you 7. So, y equals to 7 upon 7. That means your y value will be equals to 1. Keep your answer in the box. Now, you got the value of y is equal to 1. What will be your next step? Now, you have to substitute this value of y in any of your equation. You can select this first equation. You can either go for this equation, any equation you want. Okay. So, now next step will be now substitute value of y in equation. So, I am selecting this first equation 3x plus 4y equals to 10. So, I am selecting this my first equation. So, I am substituting my value of y in first equation. So, how we will write? What is my equation? 3x plus 4y equals to 10. So, wherever I will see y, I will substitute 1. So, 3 times x plus 4 into 1 is equals to 10. 3x will be plus 4 times 1 gives you 4 equals to 10. Now, keep your like terms on one side. That means this plus 4 will get shifted over there and it will become minus 4. So, therefore, 3x is equals to 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 equals to 6. So, 3x is equals to 6. Now, 3 is in multiplication. Multiplies goes in denominator. That means divide. So, 6 divided by 3 gives me 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. So, therefore, value of x is equal to 2. This is the elimination method. So, you can write it as x comma y equals to 2 comma 1. Easy. You can practice it and you can do it clearly. Okay. So, for the practice session, I have taken another sum which is given over here. Now, in this case, we are having denominator. So, for the first step, you need to solve your denominator because in this equation, we don't want any kind of denominators. Okay. So, take the LCM. So, LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. Okay. So, your LCM over here will be 6. Now, what will be our main target? Our main target will be to reduce this denominator. I don't want denominators in my equation. So, how can you do so? For making it 6, you need to multiply 2 by 3 and you need to multiply 3 by 2. And here there is no denominator. That means it will be 1. Whenever there is no denominator in your equation, substitute 1 over there. I need to make whole term as 6. So, I will multiply 2 times 3 will give me 6. 3 times 2 will give me 6 and 1 times 6 will give me 6. So, now whatever I am multiplying in denominator, I need to do same thing in numerator as well. So, I am multiplying the same numbers in numerator as well. So, what will be my new equation? 3 times x gives me 3x plus 2 twos are 4y is equals to negative 6 times 1 gives me 6. So, this becomes my first equation. Okay. Now, solving this, for this case, what will be my LCM? For this case, my LCM will become 3. Okay, my LCM becomes 3. So I need to convert the whole equation in the denominator of 3. So 1 should be multiplied by 3. And this will be same goes, whatever I am doing in denominator will same go for numerator. 3 will get multiplied by 1 and 1 will get multiplied by 3. So our new equation will be 3x minus 1y will be equals to 9. Okay. This is my second equation. Okay. So write it down over here, equation number 2. Now, as we are doing from earlier method, check whether it is unique or not. How you can do so? A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, and C1 upon C2. Okay. So, for A1 upon A2, it is equals to 3 upon 3. For B1 upon B2, it's 4 upon negative 1. And for C1 upon C2, it's minus 6 upon 9. Check whether is anything same or not. The 3 and 3 goes, gives me 1 by 1. And this will give me 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Is anything A1 upon A2 or B1 upon B2 or C1 upon C2 same? No, nothing is similar. That means you are having your unique solution. What you are having? You are having a unique solution. Okay, that means you can solve this equation. So how can I solve this? As I said earlier, now for the both the equation, first is write down both your equation, 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6, and the second one is 3x minus 1y equals to 9. So for now, you can see clearly over here that my x variable is having the same coefficient. That means I don't need to multiply anything with my equation. My x is already same. So what can I do over here? As I said earlier, when you are having the same sign, you need to subtract it. Okay, so we are subtracting our equation 1 and 2. So write down over here, subtracting equation 1 and 2. We are directly subtracting our equation 1 and 2. So subtract it, 3x plus 4y is equals to minus 6 and 3x minus 1y equals to 9. So first step will be changing your sign. As there is no sign, that means it's positive. Positive changes to negative. Here it's minus, that means it will be changed into plus. Plus will get changed into minus. Okay. Now, plus minus, it's getting cancelled. Plus plus plus. That means 5y equals to minus minus plus. So, 9 plus 6. It will be 15. Negative 15. So, y will be equals to, now you will ask why there is negative 15. As you can clearly see over here, my 9 is having minus sign. And my 9 is the larger number. So, 9 minus sign will be carry over with 15. So, minus 15 upon 5. That means you will get your value of y is equal to as minus 3. So, I got my value of y is equals to minus 3. Now, what you will do, you can substitute this value of y in any of your equation. You can go for first or you can go for second one. Okay, I am going for the second one. So, I will write my statement now, substituting value of y in equation number 2. Okay, so write your equation first. What's your equation? 3x minus 1y equals to 9. So now substitute your value 3x minus 1 times minus 3. Wherever you will see y, you will substitute minus 3 over there is equals to 9. Now 3x minus minus, it becomes plus 3 is equals to 9. Positive 3 shift over there, what you will get? 3x is equals to 9 minus 3. So 3x will be equals to 6. 9 minus 3 gives me 6. Now 3 is in multiplication. 3 goes in denominator. That means it is getting divided. 3 twos are 6. That means therefore x is equals to 2. Keep your answer in the box. And you can write it over here. X comma y is equals to 2 comma minus 3. This is your final answer. Hope you have understood your elimination method. In the next video, we will learn about these types of story sum. Hope you will understand that as well. And you can join me again for the story sums in the next video. Thank you so much.